Good day, viewers. My name is Serene Daniel Idorian, and I'll be taking you information communication technology. In today's topic, we'll be looking at system software. In our last class, we defined what is system software. Today, we'll be proceeding to learn the different functions of system software and explain the functions of system software. You can pretty much remember that we said that this system software is the background or the foundation for every other software to work on your system. So now, the system software, these are types of computer programs that are designed to run the hardware. How does system software run your hardware? They communicate between the hardware and the user. Are we together? Most of the times when you plug in an external device into your system, it prompts with an action telling you that an external device has been plugged into your system. It is the system software that is performing those functions. Now, the three main functions of system software are allocation of system resources, monitoring system activities, and disk and file management. The system software is responsible to manage your disks and manage your files. It tells you when you are out of memory or you are out of space. It's also responsible to monitor the activities of your system. Example, when your system is hot, when the temperature is too much, when you are out of memory space, and when there is a virus activity on your system. It is the responsibility of the system software to notify the user. And also, allocation of resources. Some of these resources includes your CPU. Come to think of how does system do multitasking. You'll be playing game, listening to music, and at the same time you're working on your Microsoft Word or any of the Microsoft products. How does the system share its resources around all of these processes without getting stuck? We'll get to know that as we proceed. Now, these are some of the resources that your system software share. That includes your CPU, the video card, the hard disk, the memory. In most cases, the term system resources is used to refer to how much memory or RAM your computer has available. How much memory your computer have available. So it is this memory that the system software helps to share among the different applications that are being opened. In computing, resource allocation is necessary for any application to be running on the system. These resources include the computer memory, data on the hard disk interface, buffering, one or more file, or the required amount of processing power. So it is the system software that shares the processing power among the different applications that are being opened or running on the system concurrently. Okay, the OS also monitors the activity of your hardware. And to monitor the activity of your hardware, the OS checks every process, every application that is being opened. For you to see how the OS monitor the activity of your software, just simply click Control, Alternate, and Delete. It will give you options and show you how the OS monitor the activity of your software. You can either use Control, Alternate, and Delete, or Shift, Control, Escape. All of them will take you to your task manager for you to see how your OS monitor the activity of your hardware. You will see the different processes that are running. You will see the different application that is being run on your system at that particular time. And you will see the amount of the CPU that is being consumed by each of those applications that are being opened. And also, there are some applications that are running at the background of your system, like your antivirus, like your Windows player, like your utility softwares that are running on the background that the users cannot actually view them. The processor keeps record of all those activities and they monitor them as well. Next is on disk management. The OS also manages your disks. This is your storage device where you store whatever work you work on your system. It is the OS that manages your disks. That's what we call indexing. That is, it indexes all your files so that you'll be able to have access to it. It's the work of the operating system that does all those indexing. Okay, I'll leave us with this short assignment. Write short notes on multitasking. Multitasking is actually one of the functions of the operating system. Write short notes on multitasking and explain how system software allocates resources. Thank you.